Today in this video I'm gonna explain Tcl 10se hard reset pattern unlock. Hold down the power key and select the power off option to turn off the device. Simultaneously press and hold the power button and volume up button until the Tcl logo appears. Then release the held keys. You will enter recovery mode. Use the volume keys to navigate through the options and the power button to select. Navigate to wipe data or factory reset and select factory data reset in the following window. Once the reset process is complete, select reboot system now to restart the device. After the reset is finished, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device as you did when you first purchased it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.